PCOS issue. If you're facing PCOS issue, this video is for you. Good day guys, this is Dr. Basit. If you're facing PCOS issue, so today I'm telling you just the 4 ingredients. The first one is flax seeds. The second one is pumpkin seeds. The third one is sesame seeds. And the fourth is one, sunflower seeds. Just take it and you can grind it. If you can't grind, you can eat directly. If you can grind it, then daily, early in the morning and evening, you take 1 teaspoon with milk. If you can't grind, then early in the morning and evening 1 spoon with milk. You can use it up to 20 days. You will feel much change in first 3-4 days. If you haven't tried this, you should try this. Hope you will get very positive results. Thank you.